Hi, I want to start off with my homepage. You can see I just went to see CSPID, did the whole HTTP server. So now you have index, and I'll start with my real homepage, which is you can see welcome to Julia Kendall's homepage. Display some information. It has this rounded photo, which is a bootstrap feature, and it has these buttons that link to the other pages that we want to go to. So you can click on the first one here. You can see it's my siblings. They all have images, different colored background, and then this is actually formatted in a table. In case you couldn't tell, just by the way it's name, bio, photo, and the way it goes. So yeah, this is my sibling page. This is my parent page. What's different about this one is, as you can see, there's a different colored background and also a different colored font. If we want to go back to my sibling page, you see right there the font and the heading size is really different. So that was another feature I kind of played around with. You can also look at the headings over here and see how they've changed. So now it's my high school one. You can see that there's a says you're leaving, so it's an alert that alerted you and said you were leaving. So you go, okay. Now here again, you can see there's bolded. Weston and Grand are both bolded, and it's also a different colored font. Another image over here, and I think it was in this one that, yeah, if you see Sao Paulo, Brazil is italicized, which is another feature I really played around with when creating it. Yeah, and it all kind of links back to the home page, so very easy to kind of play around with, which is really nice. And lots of photos and backgrounds, and I, yeah,